Hi guys, Organized Mom here, and I'm excited about this video. A lot of you have been requesting about my cleaning products I use and how I use them. So in this video today, I'm going to show you the products I use and the routines I use to clean them with them. I hope you enjoy my cleaning product video. And yeah, let's just jump right into cleaning. The first product I wanted to show you is my Bissell Steam Shot. I have a past video of where I use this. I prefer it in for the refrigerator or any spots that have sticky residue that you just need hot soapy water and a hard scrub. It makes it a lot simpler. The next product that I like to use is the LA Awesome. Here I have it in a spray bottle, and I use it on windowsill ledges. I also like to use it to get walls clean from sticky residue. Another one of my favorites is the LA Awesome Laundry Pre-Wash. This works great on cloth shoes and even for linen. Another one of my favorite products is the Fabuloso with the antibacterial. It has a great scent and it works very well. And I like to pair the Fabuloso with my O-Cedar mop. It is one of my favorite mops.
Tell me when to stop.
I'm going to have you doing the whole floor. That way I can get what good pieces I can.
Trying to keep the kitchen out of here.
This stuff smells good.
Huh?
This stuff smells good.
Yeah.
Okay. Another product I like using is the Dawn Power Wash. This works great in tubs.